Let us see how to install the software Power BI Desktop on your laptop or machine. Now, there are many methods to download the software. One of them is what I will be showing you today. You can see on the screen, I have just entered the URL, powerbi.microsoft.com/desktop. So you can use this URL to download. I've already opened the URL, and you can see that that's the same URL open here. I can just click on the Download Free option. So Power BI Desktop is completely free. You don't have to pay anything for it. Now, once you click on that, it will ask you to open Microsoft Store. So I will just click on Open Microsoft Store, and here you can see the Power BI Desktop application will be open here. Now you can just click on the Install button, and it will automatically install on your laptop or PC. The best part is, if you try by this method, every month, whatever updates there are, it will automatically update this Power BI software. So this is one easy method of downloading and installing. Here comes the Power BI. If you see, I have the Open option since I already have Power BI installed on my machine. However, if you are doing it for the first time, you will get here as Install. You just click on Install, and it will take a few minutes to install and download. You can click on this Launch button. That's one method. The second method is you can see the other option, See Download and Language Options. If you are from some other country and you want it in a different language, apart from English, you can just click on this, See Download or Language Options. So once I click on that, it will open a new tab. And there you can see I can change the language. Okay, you can see I can change the language from here. I can choose whichever language I want, and I can just click on the Download button here. So this will be a customizable download option. Before you download, you can see what the system requirements are for this particular software. You can see the installation instruction is something required, and then you can click on Download, and the installation process is very simple and straightforward. Next, you can go for installation. Once it is done, you can just search for Power BI. That's the software here, Power BI Desktop. This will open the Power BI software. Many of you might have the older user interface of Power BI, not the new one. So how do you upgrade to the newer user interface? Okay, Power BI updates every month, not every year. But every month, new features keep on coming. How do we activate those features? This is also important. Here, my user interface and yours might be different. You can see, for me, the user interface is something different. You might have some different options here. For example, I have this Transform Data option, which you may or may not have. If you do not have it, you are in the older version. I have the Filters panel here, which you might not have if you are on the older version. How to upgrade that? You can go to the File option, Options and Settings, then click on the Options button here. Later on, you can see there's a Preview Features option. Some options you'll find here as Preview Features. This is the most important part, Preview Features. Here, whatever new features are being launched by Microsoft Company, that is what you have to upgrade. Okay, every month you have to select this checkbox and click on OK. After you click on OK, you have to restart your Power BI software. Then only these new features will be installed. Similarly, if you are in the Transform Data, I will just click on Transform Data. This will open a Power Query editor, which you will be seeing in the further sections. Now here is the same thing. In Power Query, File menu bar, Options and Settings, Options. Here, as well, you can see the same options will be visible for upgrading new features. That is, Preview Features. Here, you can also add some new features. Once you select all the checkboxes, or as required. Not all. Suppose the Spanish language Q&A. I don't require the Spanish language, so I can deselect that, and I can click on OK and close and apply. So, Then it will ask you to close the Power BI software and reopen that, so all the features would be installed. It's a very simple, straightforward process here. But I hope you've understood how to download, install, and upgrade the new features of Power BI.